So round off the numbers, round off the numbers, round off the numbers to the nearest, tens, hundreds and thousands. So round off the numbers to the nearest tens, hundreds and thousands. So let us see an example. So the first problem in this section. So the first example is 24 lakhs 56,782. So now we have to round off this number to the tens, hundreds and thousands. So first we will round off the given number to the round off the given number to tens. So rounding off to tens. So rounding off to tens. So identify the digit present in the tens place. So here 1 is the tens. So this is the digit present in the tens place. So 8 is present in the tens place. That is, there are 8 tens are there. So check the next digit. If the next digit is 2 and it is less than 5. So if the next digit is less than 5, keep the same tens and no change in tens. So keep the same tens. So that means the remaining digits should not be changed. That means 5, 6 and 7, and keep the same tens here. That is 8 tens, and put zeros for the remaining digits. So there is only one digit after tens place. So put 0 for ones place. So children, this is the rounding of rounded number to the given number. That means 24 lakhs 56,780. Now rounding off to nearest 100. That means rounding off to hundreds. So let us identify the digit present in the hundreds place. Here the digit present in the hundreds place is, so the digit present in the hundreds place is 7. That is 7 hundreds are there. Now check the next digit. Here the next digit is 8 and this 8 is more than 5. If the next digit is more than 5, so write the next hundreds. So here the hundreds is 7 hundreds, the next 100 is 8. So round off the given number to the next hundreds. So that's why we have to keep 8 in the hundreds place and the remaining digits should not be changed. That is, and keep 8 in the hundreds place and put zeros for the remaining places. So put zeros for the remaining 2 digits. So there are 2 digits after hundreds place. That's why we have to put 2 zeros for the remaining digits. So the answer is 24 lakhs 56,800. So this is the process how to round off to the hundreds. Now rounding off to thousands. So rounding off to thousands. So identify the digit present in the thousands place. So children, identify the digit present in the thousands place. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. So 6 is present in the thousands place. That means 6 thousands are there. Now check the next digit. So the next digit is 7. That is 7 is more than 5. So if the next digit is more than 5, so write the next thousands. That means round off the given number to the next thousands. There are 6 thousands. The next thousands are 7 thousands. So keep 7 in the thousands place. And the remaining digits should not be changed. So that is 2, 4, 5. And write 7 in the thousands place and put zeros for the remaining places. So there are 3 digits after thousands place. So put 3 zeros for the remaining digits. So this is the way how to round off the given number to the thousands. That is 24 lakhs 57,000. So children, let us see carefully. If the given number is rounded to nearest 10, the answer shall contain 0. And if the given number is rounded off to hundreds, the answer shall contain 2 zeros. And if the given number is rounded off to 1000, the answer shall contain 3 digits. So this is the way how to round off the given number to nearest tens, hundreds and thousands. So let us see one more problem in this exercise. So one more problem in this exercise is, so let us see one more example. That is So this is one more example. So let us see, children, the given number is 3 crores 72 lakhs 8,592. Now we have to round off this given number to hundreds. That is rounding off to tens. First identify the digit present in the tens place. So here this is ones and this is tens. So there are 9 tens in the given number. And check the next digit. The next digit is 2 and it is less than 5. If the next digit is less than 5, so keep the same tens. That means the tens should not be changed. So keep the same tens. That is 9 and write the remaining digits as usual. That means 3, 7, 2, 0, 8, 5 and keep the same tens, that is 9 and put 0 for the remaining digits. So there is only one digit after tens place. So put 0 for the next digit present in the ones place. So children, this is the number which is rounded off to nearest 10. So next, rounding off to hundreds. Rounding off to hundreds. So children, identify the digit present in the hundreds place. So identify the digit present in the hundreds place. So here ones, tens, hundreds. So 5 is present in hundreds place. That means 5 hundreds are there. Next check the next digit. The next digit is 9 and which is greater than 5. If the next digit is greater than 5, so write the next hundreds. That means rounded the number to the next hundreds. Here the hundreds are 5. The next 100 becomes 6. So write 6 in the hundreds place and put zeros for the remaining digits. And the before digits should not be changed. So the number will become like this and write 6 in the hundreds place. That means rounded off the given number to next hundreds. Because the next digit is 9 greater than 5. So rounded off to next hundreds. Write the next hundreds here. So the next 100 is 6 and put zeros for the remaining 2 digits after the hundreds place. So there are 2 digits after hundreds place. So put zeros, 2 zeros after hundreds place. So this is the number which is rounded off to hundreds. 3 crores 72 lakhs 8,600. Next, rounding off to 1000. Rounding off to 1000. So children, identify the digit present in the thousands place. So here the digit present in the thousands place is ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. So 8 is present in thousands place. That means 8 thousands are there in the given number. Check the next digit. The next digit is 5 and if the next digit is 5 or greater than 5, so write the next thousands. Here there are 8 thousands, the next thousands becomes 9 thousands. So write 9 in the thousands place and put zeros for the remaining 3 digits and the before digits should not be changed. So the number should be rounded off to next thousands because the next digit is 5 or greater than 5. So rounded off the given number to next thousands. There are 8 thousands, next thousands becomes 9. So write 9 in the thousands place. The before digits should not be changed and write 9 in the thousands place and put zeros for the remaining digits present on its right side. There are 3 digits present on its right side. So put 3 zeros on its right side. So this is the number which is rounded off to thousands. The number will be 3 crores 72 lakh 9,000. So children, so observe carefully. If you rounded off the given number to next hundreds, the answer shall contain 0. If you rounded off the given number to hundreds, the answer shall contain 2 zeros at the last basis. If the given number is rounded off to 1000, the answer shall contain 3 zeros at its last. So in this way, we can round off any number to tens, hundreds and thousands. So children, there are some more problems in this section and practice those problems at your home and the PDF will be given by your teachers. So practice the remaining problems in the PDF at your home as homework. So children, there is also a worksheet in the PDF and some model problems, different problems will be given in the worksheet on the concepts. Up to now we have discussed. So practice the problems in worksheet also in the PDF which will be given by your teachers. So practice the remaining problems in the PDF at your home as a homework. So children, up to now this chapter is complete.